You know this case is being televised, right?
I am aware that there are cameras.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
it? I can ask that question.
What are the most memorable moments in the defamation trial for you? I know I got you all thinking, and it's quite difficult to pick one, right? However, I think it's safe to say that Morgan Tremaine's testimony is one of the most iconic. Recently, it seems like the former TMZ employee is not yet done with Team H and decided to clap back at Amber's decision of firing Elaine and replacing her with a different lawyer. Want to find out what Morgan said that got fans amused and entertained? Keep watching to find out. Based on the trial, Morgan Tremaine is surely one of the fan favorite, especially after he literally slammed Elaine Bredehoft during his cross-examination and debunked Amber's lies about her photos when she filed the restraining order against Johnny Depp. The latest about the former TMZ employee revealed that he is not yet done with her antics, and in fact, he commented about Team Amber's move of replacing Elaine with 2 lawyers. This came after Heard revealed that she is changing her team for the upcoming appeal against the initial judgment after she lost that defamation lawsuit. A lot of fans had a mixed reaction about this actually. Some were expecting it since Elaine obviously didn't do a great job defending Amber, but there were still a few who didn't see it coming. Tremaine, on the other hand, has a lot to say about it. The replacement of Bredehoft with the company that failed to prevent Heard from testifying was mocked on Twitter by Twitch streamer Tremaine. Tremaine posted on his social media saying, "So Bestie got fired and replaced with lawyers from the same firm that failed to stop me from testifying. Do I have that right?" He is making reference to Ballard Spahr, the legal team that helped his former employer TMZ use the defense of journalists' privilege to attempt to keep him from testifying.
Charles Tobin from the law firm of Ballard Spahr,
Yes,
here
sir.
representing TMZ, which is the publisher of news and entertainment for the celebrity and entertainment industry. And Your Honor, I'm seeking to intervene simply to protect the relationship between reporters and their sources.
David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr LLP, Heard's new legal counsel, appear to have no connection to the initial court case in which Tremaine testified. Charles D. Tobin, an attorney with Ballard Spahr LLP, represented TMZ during the trial and made the case that the publication was entitled to the protection of its private sources under the First Amendment. And we all know how diehard Amber is about her First Amendment, right to the point that her new lawyers were described as well-known First Amendment attorneys. We all know Morgan was able to testify, and when he finally took the witness stand, he asserted that TMZ had obtained a video of Depp and Heard in which Depp was seen slamming cabinets shut. He and Bredehoft engaged in a heated confrontation while he was testifying, which went viral online, and the rest was history.
Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
A little argumentative, don't you think?
Oh, hardly. I find that to be purely logical. Thank you.
Now, are you aware that Mr. Depp...
However, Ben Rottenborn of Woods Rogers Vandivinger Black will be back as co-counsel for the forthcoming lawsuit. Many fans found it funny and commented, "Guess her 15 minutes were up," referring to Elaine and Morgan's very popular encounter during the cross-examination. Another said that Amber's decision is pretty much the best thing she could do, saying, "To be fair, anyone keeping Elaine on as their lawyer after her performance is accepting they're going to lose." Team H seems to have a handful on their plates right now, and fans are in for a treat. Before I go, make sure to take this information with a grain of salt and be responsible for the content you watch. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one.